Meet Laura, a dedicated school teacher whose life was clouded by constant battles with weight and fatigue. Amidst a bustling Health Day event at her school, coordinated by her helpful colleague Mark, a revelation awaited her. Here, amidst enthusiastic discussions and powerful testimonies, Laura encountered the world of the ketogenic diet for the first time. The stories of transformation shared by experts sparked a flame of curiosity in her. Determined to regain control of her health, Laura made a pivotal decision. It was time to embark on a journey that promised to open new doors to well-being and vitality. With newfound determination, Laura teamed up with Dr. Emily Green, a seasoned nutritionist, to dive deeply into the keto world. They meticulously designed a keto regimen tailored just for Laura, prioritizing high fat, moderate protein, and minimal carbs. Transforming her diet, Laura swapped her usual breakfast cereals for nutritious avocado eggs and replaced mundane snacks with rich cheeses and crunchy nuts. Each meal, each day, she meticulously recorded, tracking her progress through detailed notes of her meals and ketone levels, turning each page of her food diary into a stepping stone towards her new lifestyle. Laura's early days on the keto diet were fraught with the notorious keto flu, battling fatigue, headaches, and mood swings. But within these difficulties, her resilience shone brightly. Fortified by the unwavering support from a caring keto community and the constant encouragement of her best friend, Sarah, Laura didn't falter. The camaraderie and shared experiences in her support group became her anchor. As weeks turned to months, a remarkable transformation emerged. By the third month, Laura not only celebrated a 20-pound weight loss but also reveled in a newfound burst of energy and mental clarity, rediscovering her zest for life. Half a year into her transformative journey, Laura was a new person. Her remarkable success didn't just stay with her, it spread far and wide, capturing the hearts of many as it featured in the local wellness newsletter. Emboldened by her own achievements, Laura stepped onto the stage of various community health forums, where she shared her story, inspiring audiences with her tangible results and passionate insights. What had begun merely as a trial had flourished into a profound lifestyle shift. Laura had found not just wellness but a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose in guiding others.